Hello, in this video I will show you how to make daisy granny square. I already made the core. In the description below you will find the link for the video how to make this daisy flower. And now I need to attach green yarn. I use melange green yarn and crochet hook 0.9. Insert the hook into any arch. Pull up the yarn and secure it with a chain. This way we will attach the yarn. Single crochet into the same arch, 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet into the next petal, 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we need to make a corner. To make a corner we will do 2 puff stitch with 4 chains between. To make puff stitch we put yarn over, insert the hook under the petal, bring it up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is unfinished double crochet. We need to make 3 of them. Yarn over, insert the hook under the arch, yarn over, pull through 2. This is the second double crochet and the third one. Also pull through only 2 loops. We have 4 loops on a hook. Yarn over, pull through everything. Pull through everything. Now we need to make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4. Another puff stitch into the same space to make a corner. Yarn over, insert the hook, work through 2 loops only. Second unfinished double crochet and the third unfinished double crochet. We have 4 loops on a hook, yarn over, pull through everything, 4 chains between, 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet into the next petal, 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet under the next petal. This is the second one already. Again 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, and into this petal we need to make the same corner with 2 puff stitches. Again make 3 double crochet puff stitch, four loops on a hook, yarn over, pull through everything, 4 chains between, another 3 double crochet puff stitch into the same space to make a corner. This is the one, yarn over, insert, work through 2 loops only. This is another one and third unfinished double crochet, yarn over, pull through everything. Again make 4 chains, single crochet into the next petal, 4 chains, 2, 3, 4, another single crochet, 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4. Made the third corner. 1 unfinished double crochet, 2 and 3, yarn over, pull through everything, 4 chains between, two and 3, 4 loops on a hook, yarn over, pull through everything, 1 2 3 4 chains between, single crochet into the next arch, 2 3 4, single crochet into the next arch, 1 2 3 4, last corner the same way, 2 puff stitch, 1 unfinished double crochet, second, third, pull through everything, 4 chains, last puff stitch from 3 unfinished double crochet, 4 loops on a hook, yarn over, pull through everything, 4 chains and slip stitch into the single crochet of the beginning of this row to join, slip stitch. The round is ready. Now it already look like a square. We need to make one more row. Two slip stitches into these first 2 loops to go in the middle of the arch. Make 1 2. Now we're in the middle of the arch. Puff stitch, but instead of first unfinished double crochet we will make 3 chains to bring up the yarn. Yarn over, go under the arch, bring it up, pull through 2, yarn over, go under the arch, work through 2 loops. We have 3 loops on a hook, yarn over, pull through everything. We made the first puff stitch. This only for the first time. For the rest of the time we will make the same puff stitch as we made before. 4 chains between, 1 2 3 4, single crochet under the next space, under the next arch, 4 chains, 1 2 3 4. Now we will work in this corner and we will make the same way what we've done in the previous row. Puff stitch, 4 chains between, another puff stitch, yarn over, go under the arch, work through 2 loops, yarn over, work through 2 loops, and the third time work through 2 loops. We have 3 unfinished double crochet, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops at once, 4 chains between to make a corner, another 3 double crochet puff stitch into the same space, 1 2 3, yarn over, pull through everything, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains between, single crochet into the next arch, 4 chains, 3 double crochet puff stitch under the next arch. This will be in the middle of the side, 2 and 3, and finish double crochet, yarn over, pull through everything, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, single crochet under the next space, 1, 2, 3, 4, another corner, making the same way, puff stitch from 3 unfinished double crochet, 4 chains between, 1, 2, 3, 4, and again puff stitch. Continue the same way. I'm about to finish. I need to make last 4 chains and slip stitch to join the last row. To join into the puff stitch, I will go under 3 loops, grab the working yarn and pull through everything. This is how we join the last row. Cut the yarn, pull up the yarn. Now we need to hide the tails, wash and steam our motif. Thank you so much for watching.